Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Ibadan City. All right, before we go into today's video, I just want you guys to know that we have a vlog channel. The link to my vlog channel will be in the description box. Please go there, click on the link, go to my vlog channel, subscribe to my channel, and you feel free to share, okay? Because we are new there and we are trying to grow that channel also, and trust me, you are going to like it there also, because the content I have on my vlog channel are very informative, educative, and entertaining. Okay, so yeah, let's go into today's video. Gongo, the cocoa that we are here, let's dive into today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing the secret nobody is telling you about watermelon, glow seed, and some other two ingredients, other natural products, organic. Okay, if you fall into the category of people who are scared to buy already made Kayanmata, this video is actually for you. Okay, so stay tuned, watch this video from start to finish so that you will know what you can put together at your convenience, that can help you and your partner. Not only you, it will help your man, and it will help you as a lady. And if you are a man watching me, it will help you and also help your lady or your woman, whatever, your partner, whosoever. Okay, so make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe, make sure to share this video, most importantly, and leave a comment for me in the comment section. Perhaps you have used this recipe before. Let me know how it has worked for you. All right, so let's just get into the preparation, and I will be back to tell you what this product, this DIY, this remedy is going to do in your life. Trust me, you are just going to thank me later. Okay, if you know the value of what I'm bringing to you, trust me, you're going to thank me later. Okay, so make sure to subscribe, make sure to share, like I said earlier, make sure to like, give this video a thumbs up like this. When watch anything you see like this, and just click on it, give it a thumbs up so that this video can go to places. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut it down. To small, like so. Just cut it down to the capacity your blender can actually cope with. So I'm just going to go ahead and transfer every bit of this watermelon into a blender and set it aside. The next ingredient I'm going to be working with is dates. Okay, what I did is that I soaked the date into a bowl of water so as to make it more soft for the blender to cope to blend it together with the watermelon. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove the seed in between the dates or inside the dates. All right, so this is what the date is looking like. I'm just going to go ahead, like I said earlier, and remove the seed inside the date. Make sure you are careful with this because this process is very, very, you know, because the date is strong, so you have to be careful so that the knife you are using will not cut you. So this is what the seed is looking like. You just have to remove it before using. So guys, the next ingredient I'm going to be working with is ginger. I'm just going to remove one of among this much ginger, this much. I'm going to peel it, cut it down and add it to the watermelon and date. I'm just going to go ahead and rinse the ginger. So I'm going to add it up to the watermelon in the blender. So this is clove leaf or seed, whatever you might call it. You can get this in the market and this is sold for 100 naira, thereabouts. I got it for 100 naira. It is as cheap as that, okay? I'm just going to go ahead and rinse it. I need small quantity. I mean this much. I'm just going to go ahead and rinse it and add it to watermelon, date and ginger. So after that, I'm just going to add a little bit of water into the mixture like so. I mean, this product, this DIY, this remedy I'm about to show you today, if you can actually follow the process, it's going to help you. It's going to help your love life, and trust me, you are going to find value for watching this video. I mean, you are going to thank me later if you know what I mean. So guys, this is the outcome of our watermelon, date, glow seed and also ginger. This is a natural Viagra, okay? See, this is a secret nobody has ever told you about watermelon, clove, ginger and date. You know, date is a natural sweetener. If you don't know, as a babe, I'm telling you. And clove seed is a natural tightener, okay? As I'm saying it, you should be grabbing one or two things, and the work of this thing, you should know this is pano 100% fire. Like, this will actually enhance your love life. If you are a man, this is a natural Viagra for you. I mean, it will work all over your body, all the energy, all the strength you needed to be active on the papa, on the bed is equipped with this. Like, all these things carry all the things you need, your body needed to function well as a man, you know, as a husband, like a husband, go, the real man, okay, the king. This will actually serve you better, okay? And as a babe, this is a natural sweetener, this is a natural tightener, and the energy this will give you, you can never get it wrong with this drink, okay? If you don't like already made Kayanmata products, this is a natural Kayanmata homemade, where you can make at your comfort, at your convenience, with watermelon. And trust me, you will thank me later on this remedy. Okay. For you to know that it works. Okay, I just drank the share of my own. Oh, I'm going to finish this. And yeah, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more of this video, for more of this information. Make sure you go over to my vlog channel and subscribe, support your girl. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.